Branching Metalworks. Thanks, Chris, for showing us how you're using sweeping compound today. This is Dustbane's original sweeping compound, and it has always been a classic for us. Started in 1908, and it's dealt with dust for a long time. Show us how you do it here at Branching Metalworks.
So typically, my guys would take it out similar to this. They'd come to the floor and kind of spread it out to the area that we sweeped.
Wow, so you're spending a lot of time and spreading a lot of sweeping compound on the floor this way. If I can give you some advice as to really how to get this job done, what you typically want to do is have your sweeping compound go in a fine line, and the reason being, when you actually sweep it forward, it's going to roll the dust. It's going to apply a fine film to the floor and allow that dust to stay down for a long period of time.
Dustbane. Give meaning to your cleaning.